Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica. Let's make disco ball inspired flower pots. Pick up some flower pots. I got a couple different styles because I just wanted to experiment. I bought these little adhesive mirrors on Amazon. I will put the link in my description. So at first I just went for it. I just cut off a strip of like 4 rows. I didn't like how it looked. So I took them off and I put on gloves because they are sharp, they're little mirrors, and I just started applying row by row all around the flower pot. The adhesive is pretty strong, but if you wanted to, you could first slather on a layer of white craft glue or maybe E6000 and then put the mirrors on top. Another way to apply the mirrors is square by square. That will avoid the problem that I had because as the flower pot decreased, I had some open spaces where a mirror could not fit in there. So I just filled it in with some bright silver glittered puffy paint and it worked okay. But I think next time, if I was doing like a really professional art project, I would apply them square by square to make sure it came out perfect. Again, this was me experimenting for the first time. And then I decided to try a terracotta pot. This time I spray painted it silver first and it came out beautiful. Back to the first flower pot, I decided to add some hand painted designs on the bottom just to give it that little crafty chica touch. Mexican folk art meets disco ball. Why not? Okay, what do you think of the disco ball inspired flower pots? Let me know if you try this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you make this project, tag me because I would love to see it. Doesn't this make you want to go cover anything and everything in these little mini mirrors? I still have a big box of these left. A little goes a long way. What do you think I should cover next? I am open for ideas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy and crafty day.